Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to your favorite channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're soaring to new heights with a face-off between two mini drones that pack a punch. On the left, we have the DJI Mini 2 SE, and on the right, the Gleesfun G11MINI. So, buckle up and let's get ready to fly high. First up, let's talk about the price. DJI Mini 2 SE comes in at $279, while the Gleesfun G11MINI is a bit pricier at $299. So if you're looking to keep some extra cash for snacks or maybe a new pair of socks, DJI Mini 2 SE might be your go-to. But hey, let's see if the Gleesfun justifies that extra $20. Both drones are lightweight and portable, weighing under 250 grams. That means neither requires FAA registration. DJI Mini 2 SE is perfect for taking on hikes and road trips, while Gleesfun G11MINI is like your tech-savvy buddy, always ready for an adventure. But keep in mind, if you're planning to sneak these into a concert for some aerial shots, don't. Just don't. Now, let's talk about the camera. DJI Mini 2 SE has a solid camera for capturing stunning aerial moments, but the Gleesfun G11MINI boasts an upgraded 4K UHD camera. It's like comparing a regular pizza to a stuffed crust pizza. You know which one wins. Gleesfun also gives you a wide field of view and adjustable angles. So if you're an aspiring Spielberg, the Gleesfun might just be your new best friend. Flight time, a crucial factor. DJI Mini 2 SE offers an impressive max flight time of 31 minutes, and with the combo pack, you get up to 93 minutes. Gleesfun G11MINI, on the other hand, provides 60 minutes with its two batteries. If you're planning on a drone marathon, DJI's got you covered. But hey, if you're just in it for a quick spin, Gleesfun will do just fine. Next, let's see how far these bad boys can fly. DJI Mini 2 SE gives you a whopping 10 kilometers transmission range thanks to its advanced OcuSync technology. Meanwhile, Gleesfun G11MINI offers real-time transmission up to 1,640 feet. So DJI is like that friend who's always willing to go the extra mile. Literally. Wind resistance. Because let's face it, no one wants their drone to be the next Dorothy in Kansas. DJI Mini 2 SE can handle winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, making it more stable and reliable. Gleesfun. Well, it doesn't brag about wind resistance, so maybe keep it grounded on breezy days. For all you newbies out there, both drones are beginner-friendly. DJI Mini 2 SE has simplified operations and a return-to-home function. Gleesfun G11MINI is also super easy to set up and comes with beginner mode. Plus, it has auto-return, which is a lifesaver if you're prone to losing stuff, like your keys, your phone, or your dignity. Reviewers have praised the DJI Mini 2 SE for its outstanding value for money, impressive camera quality, and stability in windy conditions. However, they noted the lack of obstacle avoidance sensors and some missing essential items in the package. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI has received positive feedback for its advanced features like GPS follow and automatic return to home, good camera quality, and ease of use. It struggles in windy conditions, but is considered a great option for drone hobbyists. So there you have it, folks. Whether you go for the DJI Mini 2 SE or the Gleesfun G11MINI, you're in for a sky-high experience. If you're all about that extended flight time and transmission range, DJI is your guy. But if you crave that 4K camera quality and stylish design, Gleesfun's got your back. Drop a comment below on which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.